Hello everyone, I am Josmi Joseph. Today we are going to see a non-weighted code, gray code. Here we are discussing how to find the gray code of a binary number and also the binary equivalent of gray code. Gray code is a non-weighted digital code and it is having a single bit change from one code word to the next in the sequence. And the main application of gray code is it is used in the shaft position encoders. Now let's see conversion of binary number to gray code. The procedure is like this. The most significant bit, that is the leftmost bit in gray code, is same as that of the most significant bit in the binary number. And starting from the left to the right, add each adjacent pair of binary bits to get the next gray code bit. While adding, if there is any carry results, then discard that carry. So now we can see this with examples. Our problem is to find out the gray code equivalent of the binary 10110. The given binary number is 10110. According to the rules for conversion, the most significant bit, which is the leftmost bit of the given binary number, this is 1, will be the same for gray code also. So there is no change for the most significant bit MSB, 1 will remain as it is. For the next bit in gray code, add the adjacent pair of bits in the binary number. Here adding 1 plus 0 will get the second bit in gray code. The same procedure will follow for the next bits in the gray code. So this second bit and third bit will be added and will get the third bit in gray code. Same case with the next bit also. Here 1 plus 1, 1 0. So we are discarding the carry. Only the sum, which is 0, will be written here. Next is 1 plus 0. So you will get the result bit as 1. So the gray code equivalent of the given binary number 10110 is 11101. So the rules are most significant bit in binary and the gray code will be same, and the next bits are found by adding the adjacent pair of bits in the binary number. And while adding, if there is any carry, then remove that carry, write only the sum bit. Let's see one more example. Find the gray code of the binary 1011011. Given binary number is this one. So let's do the conversion. Most significant bit is same and add the adjacent pair of bits for getting the next gray code bit. 1 plus 0, 1. Next 0 plus 1, 1. Next is 1 plus 1, 1 0. Discard the carry, so 0. Next is 1 plus 0 is 1. Next is 0 plus 1 is 1. Next is 1 plus 1, 0 with a carry 1. So discard the carry. So the gray code equivalent of the binary 1011011 is 111011. It is so simple. Now let's see how to convert a gray code into binary. The rule is like this. The most significant bit in binary is same as that of the gray code. And add each binary code bit generated to the gray code bit in the next adjacent position. And while adding, if there is any carries, discard it. So now let's see with examples. Convert gray code 11011 to binary. The given gray code is 11011. According to the rule, the most significant bit in the gray code and the binary is same. So 1 will remain as it is. For the next bit, add the already generated bit and the second bit of the gray code. So these two we are going to add, and that is the second bit of binary equivalent of the gray code. And for the next bit, add this bit and the next bit in the gray code. These two we are adding, so you will get the third bit. The same procedure will follow, and here it is 0 plus 0, 0. The next here 0 plus 1, 1. Next is 1 plus 1, 1, 0. We are discarding the carry, so we will write only 0. So the binary equivalent of the gray code 11011 is 10010. Another example, convert the given gray code 10101111 to binary. The given code is this one, and the binary equivalent is, here 1 will remain same. The next is adding this 1 plus this 0. 1 plus 0, 1. Next is 1 plus 1, 0 with the carry 1, so remove the carry. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0 with the carry 1. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 0 with the carry 1. So the binary of the given gray code is 11001010. The procedure is so simple. First write the leftmost bit as it is, then add the newly generated binary bit with the next gray code bit. While adding, if there is any carry, remove that. Here we have seen what is gray code and the conversion of binary number to gray code and gray code to binary. Find the gray code of the binary 11000110. Try this by yourself and see the answer. The answer is 10100101. So while converting, keep the leftmost bit as it is, and for the next bits in gray code, add the adjacent pair of bits. If there is any carry while adding, discard that carry. Next one, binary code used in shaft position encoder. The answer is gray code. Question, find the binary equivalent of gray code 100111. For converting gray code to binary, the most significant bit is same, and the next bit is the generated bit plus the existing bit in the gray code. So follow the rules in the conversion method and find the answer. The answer is 111010. These are the references for the session. Thank you very much.